It's a new month, and that means a new Happy Mail subscription box is launching today. This is called Poppy Field, and it's a cool, really modern mix of kind of that deep coral orange, some peaches, champagne and gold, rose gold, silver, black and gray, and it all just looks super trendy and modern. This is one of the things that Lynette envisioned with the subscription boxes, is that it will get you out of your comfort zone as far as colors. I know we tend to get stuck in the same kind of color rut, so this will help you just branch out and try new colors. So this is a beautiful palette, and if you think about a field of poppies, that's what this reminds me of. So it's just absolutely gorgeous. So let's go ahead and walk through what is included in this month's kit. Now, of course, we always start with a beautiful Encore color palette. This month we have Vermilion, and this is that cool kind of deep coral pink. Then we have Goldfish, Peach Sherbet, River Rock, and Shark Skin for our Encore colors. So that color palette inspired the whole box. Next we have a Dotted Swiss, and this is Coral Reef. Again, it's that deep kind of coral color. This is our glitter mirror foil. So the glitter finish is actually printed and then foil on top. So this is a completely smooth, reflective surface, but it looks like glitter. Then we have Nuri Sparkle in Desert Sand. This is kind of a champagne sand color, really fine glitter paper. Then we have some matte foils. This is Champagne, and this is Rose Gold. Those are both matte finished foils. Next we have Glitter Luxe in Silver, and this has got some high shine to it. Then we have an Echo Park Pewter. This is a smooth pearlescent cardstock in kind of that deep gray color. We have a sheet of Coordination Sandable in Starry Night. And this, actually, you can sand off the surface and get a cool texture by sanding. It's got a different color inside, so it's actually gray inside. You can sand off the finish. We've shown that before. Then we have Encore Black Wood Grain. This has an embossed wood grain finish. It's very hard to pick up in the light, but you can kind of see it there. We have a sheet of Glitter Luxe Black Velvet. This is a gorgeous deep black glitter paper, and this is going to be beautiful on our project. We have a sheet of White Stripe Acetate. This is see-through. This adds fun element when you layer on some of the other colors. And then last but not least is Cereal Coal Mine. This is again a smooth pearlescent. This is a heavier weight one that we don't normally carry in the shop. So it's a bit heavier and going to be great for our project. And then, of course, we have 4 mystery items that you won't know until you receive them, but I will tell you they go perfectly with the theme and with the color palette. And that is everything that is included in this month's kit. And of course, every month we have a free bonus SVG project. This month we're making this beautiful flower garden gift box. Has a gorgeous flower garden on top, and then it actually is a box, and then the top slides off so you can put a gift in it. So that is what we will be making in our class this month. So there you have it. This is a beautiful trendy color palette. It's just perfectly coordinated and ready for your magic touch. If you're not already a subscriber, be sure to go ahead and subscribe so you'll get this fun kit and the free bonus project as well.